Welcome to My Sales Dialer. In this video, I will show you how you can use the Autodialer feature in the My Sales Dialer web application. So for that, you need to log in as an agent. So you need to click here in the login button, and then you can put your agent credential here and then click here to log in. Now, once you log in, you need to go here in the CRM button and then click here to My Contact and then Contacts. Now, in the left hand side, you can able to see all your clients which you have added into this My Sales Styler portal. So by default, first contact is selected, but you can select any of the contact to start the auto dialing. And in the middle, you can able to see all the details of that particular contact. So you can able to see their mobile number or their office number. If you have added any notes over here, so you can see everything. And here in the right hand side, you can see something called auto dialer. Now below that, you can see there are three options. So whether you wanted to reach out to the client via their mobile phone, office number, or even both, so you can select according to your preference. Now once you are done with this, you need to simply click here to start the auto dialer. So let me just click here to start the dialing. Now, as soon as you click here, you can see this pop-up that means this particular My Sales Dialer wants to use the application which you are currently using to do the call. So now you need to click here to open Pick an App. Now once you click here, so you will see this kind of pop-up. So you can, whichever app you are currently using to do the call, so you can select that app. So I'm currently using Zoom application for the calling. So let me go ahead and select the Zoom meeting and then click here to OK. Now, once you click here in the OK button, you can see it will directly take you to that particular app screen. That means, and you can see the number as well. That means you do not have to write the number manually every time. So you just need to simply click here in the OK button, and this particular contact number will be automatically available here. So now you can simply click here to do the call. And once you're done with the call, you can again come back here and then do the disposition of your call. So you can, whatever discussion you have with the candidate client, so you can just simply mention here in the note section and then simply click here to update the contact. Now once you are done with this, you can click here in the next button, and then it will again show this kind of pop-up that now you can able to see that open Zoom meeting. That means like I have selected the Zoom meeting for the calling, so that's why it will show this kind of pop-up. Now if I click here, so it will again directly take me to the other contact, and you can able to see the number is changed. Now you can simply click here to do the calling, and then you can follow the same process. So, and let's say if you wanted to stop the auto dialer now, so you can click here to stop the auto dialer. So this is all about the auto dialer feature. Thank you.